Hi friends, it's Wendy Moore, and I am coming to you with my unboxing video for my January Essential Rewards order. This month I got most of the same things that I usually do, but I had, as you might be able to see, a large inventory of oils and so forth. So I focused again on things like my Pure Protein Complete. This one is the vanilla spice, and it really is so good. I used to put a whole lot more into my shakes, but now I'm finding that I love the flavor to come through of this one. So I'm doing either kale or spinach every morning, along with my almond milk and my protein powder and some Ningxia Red. And that's it. I've given up the apples, the carrots, so I'm doing just proteins, and I'm finding it's helping, giving up those little bit of extra carbs. So love my vanilla spice Pure Protein powder, and it's great if you're looking for something that has no heavy minerals and it doesn't contain harsh chemicals of any sort, and it doesn't have the artificial sweeteners that the minute I open my husband, the one he used to use, I would get sick. It just literally made me feel ill just from smelling it, and so I try to avoid that at all cost. And then, of course, Master Formula. This is our vitamin supplement, and it's in a convenient sachet pack. And I love the way it opens, because it's just a one at a time dispenser. And inside here, you have 4 small pills. You have 1 tablet, and the 3 are capsules. And you really need to look into this, because that little bit is going to give you such a powerhouse of everything that you need for your body to stay at its healthy best. And then charcoal bar soap. This is Ben's go-to now instead of the Shutron bar soap, because we found it just gave him a little extra barrier from smells, and it's been really kind to his skin. So he likes that one. His Shutron, he still uses this. It's a 3-in-1 body wash, hair wash, and facial cleanser. So he uses this for his face and for his hair, and he loves the way it leaves his hair. He's got fine hair, and he's just recently let it go to its natural color, which is more white than anything else. And those hairs tend to be a little bit different texture, and it's really giving it some extra body. So he loves his Shutron for his face and his hair. Now, I can't go without my Wanderlust. This is an eyeshadow, and it's just a powder. I use it to put here at the tear ducts just to give a little extra glow, and then I'll put a little bit above my lid, and sometimes just under the brow. It just helps to brighten my eyes a little bit, because just what I like. Just because. And then we have got our Omega Gize. This is our fish oil supplement, and this one, I love the fact that I don't have that regurgitation that you get with some fish oils with this one, and it doesn't have that nasty fishy taste. So this one, there's so much great information on this one. You need to check it out too. And then we can't go without Ben's prostate health. And this one smells so good. All the essential oils that are in there make it really smell yummy when you open it. Now, as far as our freebies, this month in January, we had 5 possible oils that we could get for free, and I qualified for all of them. And since I have another box on its way that's very much like this, I'm going to get another set of everything. So that's how I get all those oils. And I love it because I can share and I can use, and I've always got a supply of what I need. So this one is the Manuka, and if you saw my earlier post in the beginning of the month, I talked about this one being your teenager's best friend, or maybe you have some instances of adult breakouts. And I find if I just put a little bit of this directly on the spot, that it goes away much quicker than if I leave it untreated. Tea tree oil, love this for just about anything skin related. It's really a good all-around oil for our skin. And then our orange essential oil. This one is great for your diffuser and for topical use. And then, of course, if you want to use it in cooking or in your waters, we have our orange vitality oil that you can use. So that's always a popular one in my house. I use orange in a lot of the blends that I do in my diffuser and find that it just really pops the freshness, especially this time of year. If the house has been closed up and sometimes it just starts to feel like it's cloying, and put that burst of sunshine in your diffuser by putting a little bit of orange along with your favorite oils. Really nice with thieves too this time of year. And then geranium. Love, love, love the smell of the geranium. It's a very heavy floral scent, so a little bit of it goes a long way. And I like using the geranium again in my room spray. I had posted a few months back the recipe for my favorite room spray, so you might want to scroll back and find that if you didn't have a chance to see it before. And last but not least is our Mastrante, and this is a new oil to me. I know, hard to believe, right? So I'm anxious to try this one. Everything that we got in our freebie bonuses this month, the promo items, were all geared towards helping our skin to be its best. And even before I started getting the oils that were the promos, I started beefing up a little bit more with my skin because it had been getting a little bit colder here than what I'm used to. And as soon as the weather turns cold, this nose goes red. And when I say cold, I mean like as soon as it drops below 70, my nose goes red, my cheeks start to get chapped, and I start to feel like my skin is like an alligator, because we're not used to Florida being dry. We're used to having all that moisture in our air. So being able to use those skin oils, adding some into my daily moisturizer, adding some into my nighttime routine, as well as with my other skin oils, putting them into my moisturizer that I use on my arms and my legs. And I really do feel that it gives added support when you do that. So those are just a few tips. I don't know where I put my clicker. Oh, last thing I wanted to share with you. Every month we get our Essential Edge included in our package and with our orders. But if you're not regularly ordering, and maybe you enjoy being able to check out the Essential Edge, we now have a new digital library, and you can go directly onto Young Living, and you can search, visit the Media Center on youngliving.com and explore the entire library. So you can get things like this and our product catalog, our holiday catalog, and even our newest magazine on our lifestyle magazine is available that you can read online. So that's really cool to have that. And this month they included a DIY sachet. So if you're into sachets and you want a little extra scent in your drawers, check out the Essential Edge online and look for that recipe. And you've got back issues you can look at too. So that gives you a chance to go in and find, sometimes they had cooking recipes as well. Thanks for joining me today for this quick unboxing, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.